This creature can reach speeds faster than a car in the wild. On the golden savanna, a shadow flickers, swift, silent, unstoppable. Meet the cheetah, the fastest land animal on Earth. As the sun dips low and the grass shimmers, the cheetah crouches, eyes fixed on its target. In just seconds, it accelerates to 120 kilometers per hour, or 75 miles per hour faster than most cars on the road. Every muscle is primed for explosive movement, every heartbeat a countdown to the chase. How does the cheetah achieve this astonishing speed? Its anatomy holds the answer. The flexible spine arches and contracts, stretching with each stride to cover nearly 7 meters in a single bound. Leg muscles, lean and powerful, fire in perfect rhythm. The cheetah's large heart beats rapidly, pumping oxygen through oversized lungs, fueling each surge. Semi-retractable claws dig into the earth with each step, providing traction for sharp turns. Even the cheetah's tail is a marvel, acting as a counterbalance, guiding direction as it races across uneven terrain. Centuries of evolution have forged a creature where every organ and bone serves a single purpose: speed. But speed alone is not enough. On the savanna, survival depends on timing, precision, and strategy. The cheetah stalks quietly through tall grass, muscles coiled, senses tuned to the slightest movement. Nearby, a gazelle grazes alert, agile, ready to flee. The cheetah inches closer, calculating distance and wind. Suddenly, it bursts from concealment. The gazelle darts away, but the gap closes rapidly. Dust billows. Claws strike the earth. The air hums with tension. The chase is a test of balance and maneuverability, as both animals weave through grass and leap over obstacles. Predator and prey locked in a fleeting contest. For the cheetah, the race lasts only moments. Its acceleration is unmatched, but stamina is limited. As the gap narrows, the cheetah shifts its weight, tail swinging for precision. The gazelle darts left, the cheetah pivots instantly, never missing stride. Each heartbeat propels them forward until the final stretch. If the cheetah succeeds, the savanna grows quiet, hunger satisfied. If the gazelle escapes, exhaustion forces the cheetah to rest, heart pounding, lungs burning, energy spent in a brief explosion of speed. In these seconds, evolution's masterpiece is revealed. Resting in the soft grass, the cheetah gazes across the plains, the fastest land animal, a living testament to nature's engineering. Every detail, from spine to heart, tells the story of survival through speed. Could humans ever hope to match such natural velocity? For now, the cheetah's crown remains secure, inspiring awe and curiosity with every stride.